Hello, my name is Ashlee Norman. I'm a global ambassador for K18 Hair. Today we're with my client.
Hi, I'm Lindsay.
All right, Lindsay, I am so excited to color your hair. Please talk to me. Tell me what you want.
Okay, so I'm very used to being brunette, but I'm looking for maybe a few more blonde pops today. My hair is very dark underneath, and so I'm wanting to bring a little bit more lightness there.
When is the last time you got your hair colored?
A few months ago.
Okay, so the top is actually fresh, only a couple months old up here. Have you ever been blonde before?
I have, and in the past I feel like it's gotten a little brassy because I'm in the sun a lot. So I love that sort of sun-kissed look, but maybe staying more neutral.
So what I'm gonna do first, before we even start your highlight service, we're gonna start with a K18 treatment. So I'm gonna be using their brand new TripleBright Oxidation Defense Purple Shampoo. What that's gonna do is three things. First of all, it's gonna remove the metals and minerals in your hair that cause brassiness in the first place. Then it's gonna neutralize existing warm tones with precision violet technology. Lastly, it's gonna defend against future oxidation. After that, we'll do your highlight placement. We're gonna pop the lightness through the ends here. We're still gonna maintain some of your naturals, so it is organic, fade from dark to light, or gradient melt. That way it's gonna be low maintenance for you. Lastly, we're gonna do the K18 repair service.
Okay, perfect.
We're gonna wet your hair, and then we're gonna start with our TripleBright Purple Shampoo treatment. We're gonna allow this to sit for 3 minutes. You can leave it 1 to 3 minutes depending on the desired intensity of the tone that you want. Now we're gonna start the first step of our K18 repair service. This is the K18 mist. So we're gonna spray this mist into your hair before we start your highlight service. It can actually restore up to 99% of original elasticity. We're gonna allow this to penetrate for 4 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna pre-blow out your hair before we start your highlight placement. What we're gonna be doing now on Lindsay's hair is starting a version of lived-in color with a combination of two techniques. We're gonna be using both the technique of air touch as well as zigzag teasy lights. I like to call this technique hybrid air touch. Now that we're done with your lightening service, we're gonna go ahead and remove the last of our lightener. I'm gonna use the K18 Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. That's gonna get all of that lightener out of your hair. Now I'm going to be applying the K18 Molecular Repair Mask. This is the second step in the K18 repair service, and this is gonna repair any damage that may have occurred during the lightening service. Once you allow this to sit for 4 minutes, then you can do anything on top of it. Wow, Lindsay, you look amazing. Do you love it as much as I do?
Oh my gosh, I love it. This is the best hair I've ever had.
I mean, it's like that perfect tone, not too blonde, not too brown, somewhere in between like you wanted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna recommend a couple products for you to take home and maintain this. We're going to be using our purple shampoo weekly. Again, 1 to 3 minutes depending on the desired intensity of the tone. Then you're gonna follow that up with your K18 mask. So you're gonna shampoo, towel dry, no conditioner, 1 to 3 pumps. Allow this to fully penetrate for 4 minutes. Don't rinse it out, and then you can do anything you want after that.
Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
So soft.
Yeah, so shiny. I love it.
Ugh. This blend is insane. We did that, girl.
You did that.